Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SHT teacher. As you all know that we have started chapter 2 in civics, and in civics we had completed some important topics like prejudice, discrimination, stereotype, and also other important topics like caste based discrimination. And also today we are going to start a new topic. The name of topic is fighting for equality. In this topic we have to study 7 points. Okay, so we should start one by one. And last topic of this chapter is the constitution and fundamental rights. Okay, so let's start today's topic. Students, get ready. Open your book, page number 114. Okay, fighting for equality. In the previous video we have, I think we have already started this, and today we have to start the Constitution of India provides the following points. In this topic, the Constitution of our country provides some important points regarding this. So let us see all these topics one by one. First, equal rights have been given to all. The first important topic of this regarding equality, that is equal rights for all. Okay, and any discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, race, gender or place of birth is not allowed. In this means regarding this equal right given to all means in this topic, or in this you can say that nobody or no one is regarded on the basis of discrimination. भेदभाव नहीं किया जा सकता on the basis of what, gender, caste, creed, religion, race or place of birth. Not allowed. No, means you can say everyone have the right to choose his own profession, or he can live any place of any corner of the country. Second point, the state has given the power to favor disadvantaged groups, that include women and children. And also the second point here, that the state also has given some rights or power in the favor of disadvantage towards that one group, that include women as well as children, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, minorities and physically challenged people. Okay, they have also got power to favor, which who also included women, children, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minority and physically challenged people. Third point, all Indians are equal in the eyes of the law. Law should give equal punishment to everyone. Means all Indians are equal in the eyes of law. Means कानून की नज़रों में हर एक इंडियन बराबर है. Nobody should be ill treated in the name of caste, and nobody should get punishment or hatred or insulted or ill treated only on the basis of that means he belongs from another caste, another religion, gender, etc. Practicing untouchability is not allowed in our country. Now it is the practice of or you can say that the system of untouchability is not allowed in our country. Means this practice is totally abolished, stopped in our country. Fourth one, everyone is free to pursue the occupation of their choice. Means in our country, the constitution has given them right to choose each and every one according to their own choice, means occupation, whatever occupation anybody may choose. Okay, and settled in any part of the country, and also our constitution given them right to settle in every corner of our country, because it's depend on his own choice. Wherever anybody wants to stay or settle, he may settle anywhere. There is no restriction. Fifth, there is also provisions of protection protection from any form of exploitation, and also there is means you can say the our constitution has also some right to save, to protect them from any type of exploitation. Nobody should exploit anyone. For example, children below 14 years of age cannot be engaged in doing work. This is one of very, you can say, not practiced in our society, or this is not good, or you can say that this is not allowed, or another word you can say this is also one or a type of exploitation. Means keeping below 14 years of children in any work, engage them in any work. Sixth, payment of wages should be equal as per the quantity of work, and our government has announced, and also given, and also means you can say that हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने एक तय किया है कि everybody should get equal wages. Means when female or male work, they all should get equal salary payment. 7. Since India is a secular country, everybody is free to follow the religion of their choice. You know that our country is a secular country, and in secular country, everyone has the right to choose religion of their own choice. Hindu may be accept Muslim, Christian, whatever religion they like. Okay, so, and not only this, and celebrate their festivals, and after accepting another religion, they may enjoy or celebrate their, means accepted religions festival also, enjoy that religions festival also. There is no foundation, no restriction. When we respect every individual, it is also said that when we respect others, then we can coexist without any conflict. Then only we are able to live together without any disturbance, without any conflict, or without any quarrel like this. Everybody can use his or her skills and talents for the betterment of society. And also it is a very important point that in our society, everybody can show their skills and talent. It is not compulsion that only high caste people can show their talent, skill. Not this is not possible. Talent should be shown by each and every people of a country. Okay, and he show he or she show her talent and skills for the improvement of their society. When people are discriminated, what happened? Against, they tend to get aggressive and unhappy. When people are, when you started hating the person who is living nearby you, then what happened? You feel always unhappy. Why? Because you are always you are not treating him well, and you feel discrimination. आप उसके साथ भेदभाव कर रहे हो, and get aggressive and unhappy. This eventually affects the unity of the country, and this discrimination also affects the unity of our country. The last topic, that is the constitution and fundamental rights. Let us see in the third part of our constitution. When we see in the third part of our constitution, what we will find out? It is mentioned that, what is mentioned here? That it is mentioned that every citizen, irrespective of caste, whatever caste they may be, of caste, creed, race and religion, has the right to enjoy the fundamental rights. It is also written in our constitution that and also mentioned in the constitution that anybody who may be, maybe he belongs from another caste, he may be from another creed, religion, and also maybe male, female, all should enjoy fundamental rights. Provisions were made in the constitution for the protection of rights of scheduled caste, and also our government, or you can say our constitution, find out that there is a necessary, or there is need of provisions for what? For the protection of rights of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, minorities, and physically challenged people. To respect India's diversity, certain provisions were made to fight all kinds of discrimination, and also for the respect, for getting respect for India's diversity. That was happened. Some changes were made. Some changes were made. Why were made? To fight for what? Fight all kinds of discrimination, against the all kinds of discrimination. Okay, so today we have completed this chapter. In next video we will start our geography portion. I will provide you all the question answer and exercises of this chapter in next class. Okay beta, so today only this much. Thank you beta.